Welcome to Modern Elegance. This striking farmhouse-style home is a masterpiece of design. Crisp white stucco walls contrast beautifully with bold black trim, while the steep, dark roof adds a touch of sophistication. Expansive windows flood the space with natural light, and a rich wooden entry door invites you in. Step into a space where modern design meets effortless comfort. A soft, off-white sofa anchors the living area, complemented by a sleek wooden coffee table and subtle monochrome accents. Beyond, the open-concept kitchen shines with white cabinetry, dark countertops, and elegant pendant lighting. A loft above adds depth, connected by a striking black metal staircase. Natural light floods the space, enhancing the neutral tones and minimalist aesthetic. This is contemporary living at its finest, spacious, sophisticated, and undeniably inviting. Welcome to a space where modern design meets effortless elegance. A sleek kitchen island with a bold black countertop anchors the room, complemented by white cabinetry and warm wood accents. In the living area, a soft beige sofa, adorned with mustard yellow pillows, adds a touch of warmth and comfort. Floor-to-ceiling windows invite natural light, revealing serene views of nature beyond. With clean lines, natural textures, and a calming color palette, this home is a perfect blend of sophistication and tranquility. Elevate your kitchen with timeless elegance. This brushed gold high-arc faucet stands as a statement piece, modern, minimalist, and effortlessly luxurious. Set against a pristine quartz countertop, it pairs beautifully with a dark undermount sink, a wooden tray, and sophisticated ceramic accents. Soft natural light enhances its warm, lustrous finish, while a serene outdoor view adds depth to the scene. Designed for those who appreciate refined simplicity, this faucet blends function with artistry, bringing a touch of luxury to everyday living. Step into a space where elegance meets simplicity. This modern kitchen island, crafted with a sleek off-white quartz countertop, offers both style and functionality. A dark, minimalist faucet complements the built-in sink, while subtle wooden shelving and dark gray bar stools add contrast and warmth. Soft pink blossoms bring a touch of nature, enhancing the serene atmosphere. Bathed in natural light, this space embodies effortless sophistication, designed for those who appreciate clean lines, open space, and timeless beauty. This two-story home blends sleek white stucco with bold dark accents, creating a striking visual contrast. Expansive glass doors invite warm interior light to spill into the serene landscape, while a private balcony offers stunning views. Framed by lush greenery and a pristine swimming pool, this architectural gem is the epitome of luxury and tranquility, where contemporary elegance meets the beauty of nature. Welcome to the epitome of serene living. Picture a stunning single-story modern home nestled amidst a dense forest of towering trees. This sleek, low-profile design features expansive glass panels, seamlessly blending the indoors with the natural surroundings. A tranquil reflecting pool runs alongside the light gray patio, mirroring the calm environment. The house, with its dark gray exterior and warm amber-lit interior, offers a perfect balance of sophistication and peaceful seclusion. The forest creates an intimate, private oasis as the soft lighting sets the tone for a quiet evening. Now, imagine a striking modern farmhouse. The contrast of the crisp white exterior and dark framing is accentuated by the warm, orange glow from within. Expansive gridded windows illuminate the twilight sky, offering a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. Surrounded by lush green landscaping and towering trees, this home exudes tranquility and modern luxury. Now, picture an outdoor dining area that blends seamlessly with nature. A sleek, dark dining table sits surrounded by minimalist wicker chairs, offering the perfect space to relax and entertain. Behind it, large glass doors open up to a stunning golf course or park-like view. The modern, dark concrete exterior of the house complements the greenery, creating an uninterrupted connection between the indoors and the outdoors. It's the perfect mix of luxury and serenity. Imagine a serene, minimalist living room with a soft, off-white sofa adorned with dark charcoal gray and light pillows. A small, light green succulent on a wooden coffee table adds a subtle touch of life. The clean, stark white wall behind emphasizes the simplicity and calm of the space. Every element, from the neutral color palette to the modern design, evokes tranquility and sophistication, creating an inviting atmosphere of understated elegance. Step into a luxurious outdoor living space where comfort and sophistication meet. Two plush off-white sofas are arranged around a dark brown coffee table, creating an inviting setting for conversation. A seamless transition from the covered patio to a lush green garden offers privacy, while sliding glass doors reveal a minimalist interior. The light stone flooring, wooden ceiling, and neutral-toned furnishings exude calm elegance. The space, bathed in natural light, invites relaxation and refined socializing, with every detail, from the carefully selected fabrics to the lush plants, adding to its serene, high-end ambiance. Welcome to a serene, open-plan living space where modern elegance meets comfort. A light wood dining table anchors the room, surrounded by woven black and light brown chairs. Adjacent to this, a gray sofa with dark throw pillows offers a casual seating area, complemented by a smaller wooden table. The sleek kitchen, featuring dark cabinetry, a white island, and a marble backsplash, adds sophistication. Large windows invite natural light and blur the line between indoors and outdoors. The calm color palette of warm woods and cool grays creates a tranquil, luxurious atmosphere perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. Step into a sophisticated, modern living space defined by minimalist elegance. A central off-white sectional sofa, accented with black pillows, invites relaxation. The low-profile coffee table adds subtle contrast, while soft greenery brings a touch of life. Beyond, a sleek black kitchen and dark wooden staircase seamlessly blend with the airy open design. Large windows bathe the space in natural light, creating a serene, high-end atmosphere that is both inviting and luxurious.